sorry.
Room is pa.
All girls can be go
All girls.
and give the memorandum to VC. So within 3 days, we want his removal.
We want his removal, sir.
3 days, sir.
Within 3 days.
No, I'm just going to there is a procedure. No, first, Jaldi, all of you
What
are.
about our safety? There's a procedure for people like him,
Yeah.
who harasses women
Yeah.
just because he's in a higher position like that.
Yeah.
What about the safety of the students and women also? There's no
No, I can ensure my student. I am going to take the hard decision. We already taken my team is already working on it.
What decision did you take?
So
But you take the hard decision. Yeah.
So the decision is easy, removal of Nantu Das from all the posts in there.
Yes, I'm just going to give me the 1 or 2 day time, no?
So within 3 days, sir, we've given the.
Within 3 days I will do.
So it's not just about.
No, within 3 days, yes, within 3 days I will do.
So it's also about the discrimination against women that is going on in the campus.
Yeah.
So moral policing, the way administration has been moral policing us. Along with that, everything has been restricted only towards women. We can't go outside after 8. If you're not safe within the campus, what's the purpose of being in the campus? There's a lot of issue every time.
Number of issues are there, and even other things are
Sir,
there.
this is about the safety of
Our students, especially women students, are in the.
That's the
I
priority,
am
sir.
going to take. We already taken a hard decision.
And the security.
Suspended one professor. I think might be all of you know. Some other cases we already taken one decision, and in this case, I can ensure my student I am going to take the hard decision. But there is a system, no. You can follow. Directly not within that you are giving the 3 days time. No, within the 3 days you are going to take this decision.
He should be immediately removed within 3 days, and his acts is unacceptable, and we stand in solidarity with the victim, and we want him to be removed as the assistant sport security and all the posts that he holds as the security in charge.
Po university jeni manini asmo ba chale bor kumi ni source air mo ba ha ka university nim la man ya like load ni don be da ka jinx air means te ni smo ting ba don security in charge ubale kum kata kam
But ni penram juro ikini ka jingle jong u namar kam dei ka kam ka ba kadai ka kam ka ba chaklia tam but kadai ka ba penjak buram om tang ya u hiru kadai penjak buram ya university barok kuai ni kena barok kuai but di nong hikai barok kuai de ni kum ka Nehusu ni yang hang ni ban penram jur ya u Nantu Das ikini ka jingle jong u
dan yang jaga jinx holem ru ya itai bala shate Thombor ha Nantu Das
security in charge.
But but ya ka post yang assistant sports director hapon ne ni Dawa ya university ya administration ba kin remove no mar ya na po ka post yang but because kim don jaka ya kumutu jat bri ka university jun dengi tu ni layo na itaru nila yo show ki don hikna balayo sim tharai na ka balayo kani ka kubon kila don ki ba wan om yigi ba ulale show ki kam ini palak jangan ta insa okta city ba yo na ta khna
Dengan syuri bayan pisya kani ka shiti long ni shiti ka recommend. This is to inform you that I as a student of Nehu and I have been playing college events due to which I have to talk with the sports director and he has called me unnecessarily many times alone. During every meeting he has made me feel uncomfortable with his comments and he has also threatened me regarding participation in game. I do not want to reveal my identity as I am still scared. Then he laban suko na kani ba ki khna ka kala ju jat tang hen lagi pajulut banwan chukmat. Keling ba kini ba kilayo complain menanti khna ru kila khandu banwan chukmat ba inai le ka pa ka
Kay ka appeal yung PM tayo ki prakhna nang makon ni kanung jasu sa na music man.
Itu ki pa kinumtiang haba ki ja kum ki ki ba kinang wan pet shakmat ban ai bi complain sa gila dadan balik kum kata ba kinumtiang ba kin wan pet shakmat ba kin ai
kum reunion nila ban ni selection hadi ya kita ki brave balik kum kita ki kam and ni ru ba ban ong ba ha ka campus ni ba ini ban tu ki brave ba biang ki ba ba de compose ka security in charge knang mangin social ngai ha ka university na jong di ban remove no ya uni Nantu das na ki post baro ka university
mga ngadi daya pira kharsati nga wana research scholar forum jong kanihu ti nakaliang jong research scholar forum nga kwaban ong ba kani ka eki ga jingle jong unan tu das ka penlong ngi ki khana research ru khamtam mangi ki researcher ki babon ki bawan na ki labs ki batrei ha ki lab jong ki teng teng hade ko beje khar beje or dalamiet so ka penlong ngi bangin feel unsafe la don kum uni ujat breu ha kani ka yute nakaliang jong irungi demand ban weng no naka kam jong kum assistant director jong ka sports department ban kum ru bade in charge jong ka security jong ka ni hu haba nong penyat hi nong pet hi ka ya ka security jong ka ni hu ulong kum ne te ni ngin ngolong safe kum no ki kan thei mo ki kan thei ba pule ha ka ni ka university te ni demand ban weng no yu kum ba ki la ong ki ni hu su bangin aya ka license ni ka pot ban weng no yu te ngi mangiru ngi support ya kata ka demand jong ka ni hu su
Of this university, she was the victim was she was selected as the female squad as there were as in the coming weeks there will be inter university football women. So as per the rules, the one particular woman should be escort the female team to participate in the university. So she is not a student of this university.
No, but no. My question is whether she.
The victim that the person who's a victim of yesterday, she is not the student of this university. She is a referee actually, so she has been appointed by the concerned authority to represent the university as the female escort, to escort the university team that is going to participate in the inter-university tournament that is going to be organized in Orissa. But the thing is that the tournament was supposed to be held next week. They are supposed to move on to the university next week, but the Nantu Das had requested her to report yesterday. So while coming to the visiting the site yesterday, we have witnessed that she is the only member of that team to be representing the university team to Orissa that is available at that particular spot. Because as per rules and procedures, the students also should be there. But we did not see any students, the players who have been selected to represent Nehu to be in the old guest house yesterday. Only the victim was there with Nantu Das. But when we arrived in that site, Nantu Das has already fled the scene. So we're not able to confront him or to inquire him in any ways that we can possibly get. Faculty, who is the assistant sports director of Nehu, and as per the information that we have received from her, is that she was informed to report yesterday, which was not a working day. So while coming from her hometown, halfway along Umsherpi, this Nantu Das, he came to pick her up. As per the rules and procedures, he cannot do that. So he himself pick her up, and then he escort her till the Kianaba old guest house. So on reaching the site, reaching the room, what he did was that he started to assault her, started to harass her, sexually molest her sexually without the consent of the person involved. So she was fighting that Nantu Das, and with the grace of God, she was able to survive this incident. And after that fight that she was having with him, he fled the scene. After fleeing the scene, we get the news. We received the news that that girl was being molested, was sexually harassed by this Nantu Das. So we came immediately. we came immediately to Nehu and to show support to her and to inquire what has really happened. So after having a discussion with her, then we were waiting for the family members to come, and the family members came, and then they had taken a decision after discussion, taken decisions to file an FIR against the Nantu Das, the alleged person. So after a few hours, we received the news that this Nantu Das had requested the police department to escort him to the police station. So when we went to file the FIR, we also witnessed that he was under police custody at that particular time. So that is what happened yesterday, and after that incident, she was taken into a hospital for medical tests as per rules and procedures.